Okay, so this is the third time recording this because this goober keeps trying to hop off my hand and hit and smacks his head first thing on the floor. But look at this guy. He is literally half the length of an average cicada. I have a midget cicada on my skin. And this guy has not let go for like at least 10 minutes straight. Look at him. Look at him, he's so cute. I love him so much. I'm gonna name you... what should I name him? I'm gonna name you Brad. Yeah, your name's Brad now. Hi, Brad. Or if you're a female, Brenda. Look at them. So freaking... This is probably like a birth deformity or something. I don't know, but... She's so cute. I'm gonna put you in a tree now, buddy. You deserve the home.